How hamsters use their cheek pouches for food storage and survival. Imagine a small creature tirelessly scurrying about, stuffing its cheeks with food. This is the remarkable hamster, a tiny animal with a clever survival strategy. Hamsters have specialized cheek pouches, uniquely designed for food storage. These pouches extend all the way to their shoulders, allowing them to carry substantial amounts. In the wild, hamsters use their cheek pouches to gather food quickly. This ensures they can escape predators without losing their precious bounty. Once the coast is clear, hamsters retreat to their burrows. There, they carefully empty their cheek pouches, depositing the food they've gathered for future meals. This behavior is crucial for their survival, especially in harsh environments. It allows hamsters to stockpile resources and ensures they have enough sustenance. During lean periods, these stockpiled food reserves become a lifeline. Hamsters can rely on their hidden caches to get through tough times without venturing out. Their cheek pouches also have another interesting function, transporting nesting materials. Hamsters gather soft items to create cozy, insulated nests within their burrows. Despite their small size, hamsters are incredibly resourceful. Their cheek pouches play a vital role in their daily routines and long-term survival. When faced with danger, the ability to quickly store and transport food gives hamsters a significant advantage. It's a clever adaptation to their challenging habitats. For pet hamsters, this behavior is still very much present. Owners might notice their pets stuffing food into their cheeks and then hiding it in different parts of their habitat. Understanding this natural behavior helps pet owners provide better care. It also highlights the fascinating survival strategies these tiny creatures have developed. From their cheek pouches to their burrowed nests, hamsters exhibit incredible ingenuity. This makes them not just adorable pets, but also remarkable examples of nature's adaptability.